SR-1 Self-loading Pistol. 9mm self-loading pistol is a new generation close combat weapon concentrating in itself the latest achievements in design and technology of such small arms type. It is designed to defeat live targets protected by armor vests at ranges of up to 100 meters. It is blowback operated with short recoil. Locking and unlocking is performed by the bolt with swinging breech lock. The trigger mechanism of hammer type with an open hammer of double action allows to shoot with combat or self-cocking. There are two automatic safeties. One is on the rear part of the grip, the other one on the trigger. Sight is fixed. Pistol frame is made of reinforced polyamide. It allowed to considerably reduce the pistol weight at its cost. Pistol structural features are as follows. Two safety devices. One switched on when a shooter clasps the grip, the other switched on when pulling the trigger before the shot. It ensures reliable operational safety and an instant readiness to shoot. The pistol is very reliable in all operational environments at temperatures from +50 Celsius till -50 Celsius. Quick throwing out the magazine from the grip and automatic chambering of the cartridge. All control elements are ambidextrous. Magazine of large capacity with 2 rows of cartridge stack. The availability of light points on the rear side and a foresight for ensuring aim fire in low lighting conditions. A stop with incision on the front part of the trigger guide for better aim fire from both hands. Specifications. Cartridge 9x21mm, weight when empty 900 grams, dimensions 200 by 154 by 34 millimeters, magazine capacity 18 rounds, bullet muzzle velocity 410 meters per second, sighting range 100 meters. Nine by 21mm pistol cartridge SP10 with thermo-hardened bullet core ensures defeat of live targets at ranges of up to 200 meters. The knockdown ability of SP10 cartridge is 1.5 to 2-fold superior to 9mm NATO cartridge at ranges of up to 100 meters, but at ranges of up to 200 meters, even more. At the same time, SP10 cartridge, unlike existing pistol cartridges of home and foreign manufacture, ensures the defeat of live targets protected by light counter fragmentation armor vests at ranges of up to 50 meters. High accuracy of the complex ensures the effective defeat of live targets at ranges of up to 200 meters. To extend the range of solving tactical missions, an additional pistol cartridge is developed. SP11 ball cartridge ensures the defeat of live targets at ranges of up to 200 meters and non-ricocheting in premises.